welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shaibreen, and in today's video I'm going to unbox a new phone that I bought in Flipkart. Flipkart is an Indian online shop. For those who are in India, you know Flipkart. The phone is Infinix Zero 8i. So without wasting your time, guys, let's get started. So this is how it came. This is Flipkart. Okay, this is how it is. This is how the packaging is. So without wasting much time, I will unbox. What is going on here? Okay. I think this is the address. So this is how it came. I don't know why they put this box. Okay, they put this one. This one is to replace the plastic bag, because in India they ban plastic bags, so they use this carton recycled one. And this is how it is, guys. So big. The box is so big. I don't know how it is inside. So let's see. I don't know how to start. Infinix Zero 8i extraordinary vision master with 6.85 FHD plus 90 Hz display and 4500 mAh battery. Okay, guys, the reason why I bought this phone is because of the memory. It has really big memory. Like 128 GB, that's internal memory, and RAM is 8 GB RAM. That should be very okay. Guys, this is how the phone looks like. Look at the design, so nice now. Okay. I didn't expect that it will be this big, but it looks exactly the way I saw. See, let me see what it came with. So it came with charger. These are the accessories it came with, and the cover and charger. Let me see how long the cable is. So that's the length of the cable. That's it. And again, I also ordered this. It came with Tembo class protective glass. So let's open this. Okay, these are the wipes for wiping the screen before applying it. Okay, this is the size. I think it fits perfectly. It will fit, but I ordered this differently. It didn't come together with the phone. So if you are planning to buy this phone, you buy this minus this. So guys, that was it for today. If you want to buy this, I'll leave the link, Flipkart link, in the description box below, so you go and check if you like the phone. It's really nice. I'll come back with review maybe after a week. If you want a review, if you really want to buy this phone, then I will drop my genuine review if you ask for it in the comment section below. Thank you guys. This is it for today. Bye bye. Thank you.